In Photoshop Beta, the action system got a big upgrade. Now you have a fresh UI with live previews, search by name or description, and smart suggestions that adapt to your image. You can even choose to apply an action specifically to the subject or background, and actions now record as a single history step, so undoing is clean. And don't worry, the classic actions view is still available if you prefer the old workflow. Now we have an image open. To access the Actions panel, go to the window, Actions, or simply press Alt plus F9. This will open the Actions panel. There are two types of actions available. The first one is Suggested Actions. Photoshop's AI automatically analyzes your open image, its lighting, subject, and overall type, and then suggests a few actions that might enhance it. And second, Featured Essentials. These are curated, built-in action presets from Adobe. Basically high quality, commonly used workflows like sharpen details, brighten shadows, add soft glow, or auto color balance. They're not AI suggested, they're just always available under Featured Essentials, giving you a starting toolkit of professional one-click looks. Photoshop automatically analyzes the image and displays up to 5 suggested actions. Here, I see options like generate custom background, strongly boost the vibrations, and increase the clarity, etc. If I hover over one, I get a live preview on my canvas. This shows what the effect would look like before applying it. First, create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Now, let's apply an action to this layer. Let's take a look at the before and after results. Let me show you one more example. Apply the action again. And if needed, you can fine-tune the result by adjusting the filters or reducing the opacity for a more natural look. And that's how the Suggested and Featured Essentials work in Photoshop Beta's new Actions panel. Suggested Actions use Adobe's AI to recommend quick enhancements tailored to your image, while Featured Essentials provide a library of curated, professional, one-click edits you can trust. Together, they make photo editing faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever.